not for recent administrative record preserved in archives date back from the dynastic of the Dakhan dynasties like Behmani, Qutub Shahi, Adil Shahi, Mughal from the days of Aurangzeb and Shah Jahan. Apart from this, Andhra Pradesh State Archives has a prominent place about the preservation of the Asaf Jahi record from 1724 to 1948. Apart from this, after bifurcation of the state as per the linguistic in 1956, all the districts have been divided, and that record also, the Madras Presidency records and Andhra records have been transferred to archives. And archives having nearly about more than 140 family and private collections also. Still today, all archives also acquiring the family and private collections. The Andhra Pradesh State Archives established early Asaf Jahi period, but in 1896, during the period of Mir Mahbub Ali Khan, all the departments, the Daftar records have been running and custody under the control of the family of Raya Rayan. But in 1896, Mahbub Ali Khan wanted to take all the departments, and all the department 14 daftars have been taken over and for regular record office, for making the regular record office. And gradually in 1950, this archive center has been become the central record office. And then 1962, he reorganized as AP State Archives. In 1992, the Andhra Pradesh University has been recognized as a research center during the tenure of the commissionership of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the dynamic commissioner of Andhra Pradesh State Archives. Andhra Pradesh State Archives possesses 50 millions of records, but 75% record consisting of Urdu and Persian, and most of the records consisting of the Asaf Jahi period. Asaf Jahi period is 17 daftars. Whenever the Nizam Mahbub Ali Khan period in 1897, all the records have been taken over by the Raya Rayan families. At that time, all the daftar records were defunct. And during the premiership of Salarjung in 1853, after then Salarjung has tried a lot, he was created a secretariat department. All the old departments were simultaneously, one by one, merged with secretariat department, and 14 daftar records have been defunct and 14 secretariat records were established. One by one, the first department is political department, finance department, army department, cabinet council, Wabegu Hukumat. Nearly about 14 secretariat department also established. We are having all the records till 1884, 1724 till 1884, all the records consisting of Persian language, and after 1884, the Urdu has been enforced on the base of Persian. So till 1884 to 1948, all the records are in Urdu and English. The Andhra Pradesh State Archives is one of the source material for not for Hyderabad but all the Hyderabad and Telangana areas also. Many of the farmans, we are having nearly about 40,000 farmans of Nizam. Many of the farmans, Nizam has given a lot of preference to the local candidates. We are having research and we have to submit a research paper on this topic. And during the Nizam period, they have built a lot of monuments. You know very well, most of the monuments records available in archives. And all the district records also available in the archives. Owing to that, all the entire Dakhan area under the custody of the Nizam's dominion. After 1956, all the bifurcation have been made. Owing to that, all the records preserved in Andhra Pradesh State Archive, whatever records available. Andhra Pradesh State Archive is not not a creating agency. He is the custodian of the records. He is the preserver of the records. He is the supplier of the records. He is the acquisition of the records. The main fundamental function of archives is acquisition of the records and upkeep of the records and preservation and conservation of the records and preparation of the reference media and indices of the records and dissemination of the records means supply of the records to the government, courts and general public and scholarly world also. Sir has told archives having a very important source material for scholarly world. Recently, last year, government has sanctioned, our Honorable CM has sanctioned 2 crores of rupees for digitization of archival records. The work is in progress. Nearly about 14 lakhs of records have been digitized. Among them, 40% records have been digitized with Andhra Pradesh Geo's Andhra records and 60% records of Nizam's dominion. And this year we have been targeted nearly about more 14 lakhs of records to be digitized and scanned. The work is in functionary stage. We will be put all the metadata. Server also is in the functionary last stage. We will be given all the metadata for scholarly world. This is very important work have been maintained the archives. Anybody, any can come to the archives for collecting the material if they will go through the metadata of the records. Apart from this, archives having many of the MOUs, Memorandum of Understanding have been concluded with the National Manuscript Mission and Central Assistance Scheme also. Already I have planned to, I got the charge of director in 2009. At that time, archival budget is only 5 lakh rupees planned budget. Now archival budget is 2 crore 17 lakhs. I request the government, my principal secretaries and special secretaries also provided lot of help to archives. Now after a history of the archives. No one has sanctioned the budget of 2 crores of rupees for digitization of archives. This is the first time government has given this work. I am praying to Allah and I am praying to yourself also and public also to pray and give the successful for this work in future also. Archives having very important record. This record day by day I have kept all these problems to government. Record have been 400 years old records. These records day by day has been destroying. The protection of this record is very essential. This is our future generation. This is our property. This is our forefather records. We can't destroy of this record. How we were, how we are, how we will be. This is very important for future generation. कि हमारा जितना भी असासा है वो हमारे अपने आने वाले डिसेंडेंट्स हमारे अपने बच्चों के लिए जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इन रिकॉर्ड्स में, in these records, we can collect our financial position, our economical condition, our social life, our literacy, our culture, and our everything, our ethics, everything we can find out from these records. Records have been a millions of topics they will give to the scholarly world. A serious scholar will come to archives. He has done a good work on these records. Many of the scholars, not for India, abroad also, throughout the world, scholars have come to archives and they have collected the material for their research work. Now, the archives also have been concluded the Memorandum of Understanding to NMM, National Manuscript Mission. Two very important manuscripts. In Qutub Shahi period, there is no original records are available throughout the world. Very few records are available in Qutub Shahi dynasty. We are having nearly about some very brief documents and farmans of Qutub Shahi period. They are relating direct to the some revenue, administration and land grant, etc. But manuscripts is very important. We have been transcribing the two manuscripts under the financial assistance of the NMM. It will become for publication. I have sent two manuscripts to the NMM. Director of Tirupati, she is the very dynamic director of NMM. She has taken up the publication of this work. many of the loopholes, many of the छुपी हुई बातें सब सामने आ गई. जब manuscript publish हो जाएगा, if the manuscript will go to publish, it will be very benefited to the scholarly world and general public for ready reference also. And apart from this, I have changed our repository. Our repository is the very, very richest repository. All the Asaf Jahi records and Mughal records and Qutub Shahi records are preserved in the repository. I have changed the repository in the compactor system from the beginning, from 1724 onwards. All the records kept in the bastas. All the records were destroying with dust. Owing to that, we have implemented the compactor system with the help of the government. We are changing all the records and keeping in the compacting system. They will give the long life to the records, and they will give the place to the archives for accommodate more and more records as per the fundamental function of archives. We are not acquiring the record from 15 to 20 years owing to paucity of the place. And Central Assistance Scheme, National Archives of India also has provided the grant the first time. Our grant is 2001, the grant has been collapsed. We have tried a lot and the grant has been released. Now our grant is near this year, the first time in the history of the archive. 38 lakhs National Archives of India have been granted to our department for purchasing and for installing the AC in the repository. Repository is very largest. As per our budget, we are taking one area. We have been distributed the repository in the 3 or 4 places. And first area already we have completed in AC and compacting system also completed, and all the metadata and row number also, all the digitized records were kept in this compacting system. This is very useful for the research scholar in future also. Day by day, all the Persian knowing candidates are lacuna. Day by day, we can't take immediately and frequently the Persian and Urdu knowing candidate. And the MPhil Persian and PhD in history. I spent nearly about 28 years, and I worked hard and diligently with depth. I learned that Persian language and deciphering of the Persian easily I can. And we are having nearly about archives having nearly about 1,55,000 Mughal documents. They show the graphic picture of Mansabdari system, revenue system of the South Dakhan areas. They shows this document we are having nearly about 40,000 documents we have been prepared, and summary of the documents in English also we have been prepared, and now the work is in progress. These small documents are very important documents. They have national importance. No one archive has kept this huge amount, the quantum of the documents. Even National Archives of India also having nearly about 15,000 documents, and some other Rajasthan State Archives having some of the documents in the hundreds or thousands, but Andhra Pradesh State Archives having a 1,55,000 documents or more documents. They were written in the cursive style of writing. The deciphering of this document is very difficult. Whenever I joined this department, one of the word will take 1 month, 2 months and 3 months. I can't decipher that document. Even small university common professors also can't decipher a single word of the whole document. The training is very compulsory of this document. God grace, we have been published 40,000 documents. Now the work is in progress. Telangana Resource Center, already we have been, the Sri Krishna Committee has come to our department. Already whatever records we have available, Archives is not the creating agency. Archives is only custodian of the record. Whatever records available, we will provide to Sri Krishna Committee. And all the scholars, public, every day we have been continuing this process. Whatever the records available, I am trying to best to do the job. And most of the scholars also, this is the fundamental function of archives, to promote the scholarly work of archives. Owing to that, archives has in 1966 6, archives have introduced a fellowship scheme also. Andhra Pradesh state also provided the fellowship scholarships also to for fellow scholars, two part-time 4 and 2 full-time scholars. And apart from these, Andhra Pradesh State Archives conducting the record management training every year to the district collectorates. We are having 6 regional centers: Tirupati, Anantapur, Visakhapatnam, Rajahmundry, Guntur and Warangal. We are having one branch in the Secretariat department. Our strength is previously, in whenever I joined this department in 1987, 184 total strength of our department, but now our strength is 77, out of which nearly about 20 staff members working on the regional centers and 6 to 7 members at the Secretariat Interim Repository, and nearly about under the 50 staff members working in the main head office of the Tarnaka. But government has sanctioned and notified 32 posts for archives. I tried a lot. 32 posts for archives notified. Owing to announcement of the Telangana, this work will be held up. Definitely, we will get that post. If the government will give the 32 posts, we can run easily to the Andhra Pradesh State Archives Department. And
your lecture only today.